Southern Arizona, land of Geronimo, rattlesnakes, Native American history, and the border wall. This is the Geronimo Trail and how I trekked it in my Jeep. Rolling through downtown Douglas, I was pleasantly surprised at its character. Classic Main Street America. I decided to stop there and get gas. It's always the hardest part of the trail. The Geronimo Trail is located just east of the historic town of Douglas, Arizona. Douglas was founded by Dr. James Douglas, president of the Phelps Dodge Corporation. Okay, let's flip the shocks into soft mode so we don't have such a bumpy ride. The Geronimo Trail is so named after the prominent Chiricahua Apache leader who resisted U.S. and Mexican forces for years, leading his people in guerrilla warfare against encroachment on their lands. He finally surrendered in September of 1886. The trail now straddles the border of the U.S. and Mexico. Okay, so I'm way off the trail. There was a turn I must have missed. So this is pretty cool though. I'm gonna get out and take some pictures because I'm already here.
Super windy out here on the borderlands. Somehow.
Okay, yeah, the wind was too much for even the sound muff on the microphone, but I took a right instead of a left and ended up at the border wall construction area south of the trail. No matter what you think about politics, the engineering effort in this project was impressive. Okay, I got back on track and headed into the mountains. This is where the trail got super fun to drive. It was a steady climb with a long drop off on the side. The views were really good and the rock formations of the Chiricahuas revealed themselves on all sides. It was picturesque, bright blue sky, Arizona day. Oh yeah, this is what we came for. If this was all there was, it would have been enough, but there was more to come. Wait a second, what's this? Water? It dawned on me, why am I slowing down? Oh yeah, recent rains produced just enough runoff to make the next leg of the trail a splishy splashy water romp. Let's do this. The tiny water-filled gullies in the road kept coming. Seriously, it was just what the doctor wanted. final leg of the trail was a mellow drive. After I passed some border patrol on horseback, there was an obelisk denoting the Arizona-New Mexico border and a historical marker that stands in tribute to the Mormon Battalion, which navigated the challenging terrain in 1846 under extremely adverse conditions. The tree canopy over the trail was fun, and then it was back to the long stretches of desert road all the way to the end of the trail. If you stayed till the end, you're my hero. Kadonk that like button and subscribe so I can be a YouTube rock star someday. Most of all, thank you for hanging with me on Shift into Sunshine. That's all I got. We're out of here.